2 quarter at Nasdaq. Joining me for the segment, we have Dave Lavalle, Global Head of ETFs over at Grayscale. Dave, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. It's great to be here.
Let's talk about the business at Grayscale, continuing to scale up the ETF business, which is pretty exciting.
Yeah, we're continuing to hire across all fronts in our business, the ETF business, legal, finance, marketing. I mean, everything is really kind of being scaled up because we're putting the full force into ensuring that we're ready to convert GBTC into an ETF.
Yeah, and it's interesting because you're pioneering new ways of growing the ETF business. What are your thoughts in terms of getting GBTC to an ETF?
Yeah, so we're in the middle of a application process with the SEC, and so right now we're focused on waiting to hear back from the SEC. We're in the middle of a comment period, and we've received over 11,000 comments from individual clients, institutional investors, trade associations, market participants, academics. There's a real strong push to convert this product, and we're operationally ready, and we're excited to hear what the SEC has to say on July 6th.
So it sounds like it's a matter of when versus a matter
That's exactly
of
right.
Because everyone's always asking, when are we going to spot Bitcoin ETF?
Yeah. It's been fantastic to see that. Look, the first time that I engaged in this was in 2012, 2013, when we were working together at Nasdaq, and to be honest, that was a if, and now it's a when, and we're very excited about it, and we're really focused on July 6th because we're hopeful for a positive outcome with the SEC.
And you have a new hire over at Grayscale as well.
Yeah, we have, in the spirit of kind of building out our team, and I mentioned we're building our legal team as well, we've hired Don Verrilli, and Don Verrilli is a former Solicitor General under the Obama administration, and that's a great example of us building out the team to ensure that we're ready for all scenarios. And we're very excited to have him on board as a strategic advisor.
And speaking of advancements in regulation, it was announced that the CFTC could potentially, well, it was introduced that the CFTC could potentially be the ones overseeing the crypto environment. What are your thoughts around that? Do you think that because they're focused on innovation, it might be more advantageous for the industry?
Listen, we believe in regulation for this market, and our products, we voluntarily have made them SEC reporting companies, filing 10Ks and 8Ks and 10Qs. And so we're trying to create an ETF so we can pull this product further into the regulatory perimeter and have SEC purview. Whether the CFTC gets additional oversight is another question, but we want regulation, and we believe it's in the right interest of investors.
All right, Dave, appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. All right.
Thank you for sneaking us in.
Of course, anytime. It's always great to see you.